gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell.
In this video, I will show you how to use zoom into eye transition. You can see this is the eye video and this is the second video. Bring these two videos on your Premiere Pro timeline. This eye video will be above. Click the right button on the eye video. Click on Add Frame Hold. Now select this frame image. After that, go to Effect Controls. Go to the start of the frame. Click on a scale from motion. A keyframe will be created. Then create another keyframe 1 second away. Then increase the scale size and zoom the video. I will create another keyframe between these two keyframes. Go to rotation. Click on toggle animation. The keyframe will be created. Then create another keyframe 1 second away. Rotate the video by increasing the rotation size. Next, click on opacity. Click on create ellipse mask. Then click on inverted. Resize the shape according to the size of the eyeball. Next, increase the mask feather to 70. Go to the end of the eye video and click the right button. Click on Apply Default Transition. Then go to the beginning of the second video and click the right button. Click on Apply Default Transition. Thanks for watching.
Keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take